Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of Xiaomi 12 Ultra versus Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. So let's get start the video. I start with dimension. Height. 12 Ultra has 163.4 mm height and 11 Ultra has 164.3 mm height. Width. 12 Ultra has 74.2 mm width and 11 Ultra has 74.6 mm width. Thickness. 12 Ultra has 8.5 mm thickness and 11 Ultra has 8.4 mm thickness. Weight. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has 226 gram weight and 11 Ultra has 234 gram weight. Let's talk about display in depth. I start with a screen size. 12 Ultra has 6.73 inches screen size and 11 Ultra has 6.81 inches screen size. Resolution. 12 Ultra has 1440p resolution and 11 Ultra are also the same. Aspect ratio. 12 Ultra and Xiaomi 11 Ultra, both the phone have 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. 12 Ultra has 521 ppi pixel density and 11 Ultra has 515 ppi pixel density. Display type. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has AMOLED display and 11 Ultra has also an AMOLED display. Protection. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and 11 Ultra has also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. A screen to body ratio. So Xiaomi 12 Ultra has 91.7% screen to body ratio and 11 Ultra has 91.4% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera in detail. I start with Xiaomi 12 Ultra. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera comes with 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, telephoto 48 megapixel aperture 2.2 or ultra wide of 48 megapixel aperture 2.2. Let's talk Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 48 megapixel aperture 2.2 or telephoto also 48 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording features. Xiaomi 12 Ultra can record 8K video at 24 fps and 11 Ultra also 8K video 24 fps. Let's talk both the phone camera selfie. 12 Ultra has 20 megapixel selfie camera and 11 Ultra has also 20 megapixel selfie camera. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk hardware in depth. I start with Xiaomi 12 Ultra. It's have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus Generation 1 processor or 11 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Generation 1 processor. CPU. Xiaomi 12 Ultra is octa-core Cortex A710 and 11 Ultra is octa-core Cryo 680. Let's talk hardware GPU. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has Adreno 730 and 11 Ultra is also Adreno 660. RAM. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has 8GB or 12GB RAM variant and Xiaomi 11 Ultra has also 8GB 12GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has 256 512GB internal storage or 11 Ultra is also 256 512GB of internal storage. Hardware card slot. Xiaomi 12 Ultra doesn't support any card slot and 11 Ultra also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has 4800 mAh battery and 11 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery. Fast charging. Xiaomi 12 Ultra has 67 watt fast charger and 11 Ultra is also 67 watt fast charger. Operating system. Xiaomi 12 Ultra is Android 12 MIUI 13 and 11 Ultra is Android 12 MIUI 12.5. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. I start with Xiaomi 12 Ultra. It's have a under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. It's also have a under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, 120Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk both the phone price. Xiaomi 12 Ultra come around 70,000 of $896 of 8GB RAM variant and Xiaomi 11 Ultra come around 68,000 of $869 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Xiaomi 12 Ultra versus Xiaomi 11 Ultra. Design wise both the phone are gorgeous. Camera wise there is a both the phone are same. Hardware wise there is a better hardware on Xiaomi 12 Ultra. Connectivity wise both are same. Charging wise also both are the same. So I will prefer Xiaomi 12 Ultra. There is a better hardware. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.